Here's the number one business idea that I think is going to be huge in 2025. This idea has no competition, very little risk, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. This business idea is centered around digital products or service automation. And what I mean by this is you can build an app or a software or a tool that automates a service or a product that people want. There are three main reasons why I believe this is the number one business idea coming up. The first reason is because it's very low risk. There is no inventory to manage. There is no shipping or fulfillment to worry about. And if it's a service-based business, you can even charge on a subscription model so you get recurring revenue. The second reason is because you can pretty much sell these digital products or services anywhere in the world. You don't need to manage a physical store or a storefront. And with the right marketing, you can reach anyone in the world with your product or service. And the third reason is because it's something that people are already doing, and they're making a ton of money. There are many different examples of people who have built successful businesses around digital products or service automation. For example, there's a guy named Steve Sugar who built an app called Daily Stoic, and he built this app as a way to share his Stoic philosophy with other people. But now, the app has grown to over 2 million users, and he's able to make a full-time income from the app. Another example is Ali Abdul, who built an app called Time to Focus, which helps people stay focused and get things done. He didn't even market the app, and he was able to get 50,000 users in the first month and make $46,000 in revenue. And then there's someone else named Oliver who built an app called White Noise, which plays white noise to help people focus or fall asleep. It's crazy because this guy didn't even code the app himself. He just paid someone on Fiverr to do it, and now he's making over $8,000 per month from the app. Now, those are just a few examples, but there are so many more people who are building successful businesses around digital products or service automation. And you could be one of them. If you're thinking to yourself, great, what are some ideas? There are literally endless possibilities when it comes to this business model, but here are just a few ideas to get your mind going. First, you could build a tool that helps people automate their social media posts. You could build an app that helps people track their workouts and their nutrition. You could build a software that helps businesses automate their customer service. The possibilities are really endless. And if you're thinking to yourself, great, but I don't know how to build any of those things. Well, luckily you don't need to know how to build it because you can outsource it. There are tons of people on places like Fiverr and Upwork who are willing to build apps or software for you for a relatively cheap price. So you don't need to be a developer to get started. You also don't need to spend a ton of money to get started. In fact, you can get started for free using platforms like Shopify, and there are tons of free marketing strategies that you can use to promote your product or service. So if you're looking for a business idea that has no competition, very little risk, and it can be done from anywhere in the world, then I highly recommend checking out digital products or service automation. It's a great way to make passive income, and you can get started for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.